Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been about a month now since I took delivery of this new Model Y Juniper, and some of you may know I usually apply or install the PPF on all of my cars. Actually, at least in the front of the car, and same thing on this car too. I would love to protect the car, but this time I will do a full car PPF, the full installation, in the front, side and rear, and something different because I will do a stealth PPF on this car. So it will be a satin or matte finish PPF on the multi-coat white on the Model Y. So in today's video, I'll be collaborating with Vynyl and Digicut. Vynyl offer wide range of PPF brands, and Digicut actually offer the die cut software for the tint shop or PPF or wrap shop. So Vynyl have both PPF wrap, different colors, and also regular vinyl wraps too. So I'm actually sending out this Model Y to Vynyl headquarters in Oklahoma. They will be using my car to do the special project, and they'll be wrapping my full car with the matte PPF, and hopefully they'll share the whole process with us in this video, and they'll soon arrive and then pick my car up. We'll see at the end how my car will look after an awesome stealth PPF from Vynyl. Now let's go. Alright, the driver just finished up loading the car out to Oklahoma. Hopefully we'll see the car back in a week or so. Alright, now let me introduce you to Vynyl and Digicut, which is the main sponsor on this video. So Vynyl is one of the main suppliers for vinyl wrap for both commercial building and cars. They also supply PPF and tint material nationwide in the US. So these are all the brands and products that they provide. As you can see here, 3M, every denizen, and so much more that they offer. So on my car, they will be applying Hexus PPF or Hexus paint protection film. So I choose matte paint protection film for my car. As you can see here, something that I didn't know before, but I don't really mind because I like the look of matte finish. So actually gloss PPF lasts more than matte. As you can see, the durability of the gloss is about 10 years and durability of matte finish is about 7 years. So that is really good to know. And Digicut is also part of Vynyl company. Digicut actually provide a software for shop like tint shop or PPF or wrap shop, so they can use Digicut software to pre-cut the tint film or paint protection film before they apply on the car. So in this video, they will actually measure my car, every single panel, really precise measurement. After that, Digicut will use a precise measurement to create a digital die line or die cut. So in the future, the shop can actually use their software to create a die cut for the tint film for all the windows on the new Model Y Juniper, also the PPF or paint protection films for the new Model Y Juniper on all the panels in the car front. So that's why we are doing this collaboration. As you can see here on the video, they actually measure every single panel manually by hand first, and then they will use that trace and then create a digital die line and then put into their software. So this process, they actually took about
2 days to do, because they want to make sure every single panels on the Model Y Juniper are measured to a really precise, down to millimeters. After they're done with the measurement, then they can use that measurement, create a digital die cut as I mentioned before, and then they actually use that digital die cut that they just measured on my car and then pre-cut all the PPF, the matte PPF from hexes, and then apply every single panels on the car, as you can see as they're doing right now. This is something different because fellas actually did not remove a single panels from my car at all, because I wasn't there at the shop and I didn't go with the car, so they didn't want to remove any panels. They don't want to have an issue breaking any panels and have issue putting back in again. So as you can see in the video, when they installed the PPF, they didn't even remove the rear arch, the plastic panel, or even a fender cameras at all. So this whole process was done by a pre-cut PPF that they measure, and the whole car, front bumper, side, rear, every single panel, they did not remove anything at all. Not a tail light, not emblems, anything in the car was still stayed the same. They were able to apply the PPF without removing anything from the car, which is really cool. It's a lot easier to apply. Let's say you want to DIY, do it yourself at home with a pre-cut template or pre-cut PPF, and you want to do it yourself. So this way, you don't even have to remove anything. Just save your time and then save the risk of removing something that you don't know if it's gonna be the same when you put it back in place. And it took them about another 2 days to actually install and apply the PPF, which is really quick, because they use I think 2, 3, maybe 4 people to actually work together and then get it done, because they didn't want to use my car for too long. And finally, they are done with the PPF, and this is a quick look from their warehouse, because I want to show this part of the car. It is in a really good lighting. As you can see, it looks really cool. I love the matte finish, that white pearl finish compared to a regular gloss of the car, because the car has that metallic multi-coating on the white. So when you put a matte PPF on it, it doesn't look like a just satin white. So it has that little white sparkle, small sparkle underneath the PPF. So it makes that pearl effect on the car. It looks really nice. And finally, I got my car back from Fellas headquarters in Oklahoma. It took about almost 2 weeks. Actually, it took longer to ship the car back than the whole process that they did on my car. So first, they actually measure the car. As you can see earlier in the video, they use a precise measurement to create a digital die cut, so they can create a pre-cut PPF to install on the car. So the whole process took about 5 days, and it turned out so good. I love the look of the matte finish on the white Model Y Juniper. Now let's take a closer look of the matte PPF or stealth PPF from Fellas that they install. And again, as I mentioned before, they actually did not remove any part of the car, not even the plastic wheel arch here. It was there when they were installing the PPF. Also, not even the camera, the front fender camera was still there too. They did not remove that at all. They were able to wrap the whole car with a stealth PPF without removing any part of the car. So I love, as you can see in the video, I love the look of the matte stealth on white, because this is a pearl, or it's like a metallic multi-coating white, so it looks like that pearl matte finish. As you can see, looks really cool. A stealth white. Love the contrast with the tint and the white, the matte white on the car. There were only a few parts that, because it's a pre-cut, and they have to actually merge a couple pieces together. As you can see here in the back, there are two pieces here, so they have to merge it together. And I think I saw on here you go, on the side view mirror also, they have to cut, I think, this piece and then this piece and then merge it together. So you can't only see it here when you go really close. That is some gloss part of the original paint that is left, that you can see from here, but otherwise from here there's no way you can tell that are little line of gloss finish from the original paint. But everything else they were able to tuck in and cover pretty much the whole car. Look at the door. Let me show you the door panel. Here they were able to wrap everything here, and only this corner right here, because again this is pre-cut. They did not just manually cut everything follow the shape of the car. It's pre-cut from the machine, and then they just wrap each panel. So this is one piece for the whole fender. Let me show you on that side. So this whole fender is actually one piece, and then I think the hardest part to merge it, but they did really good job, is this one right here on the front bumper, because it has this shape with this one right here. This is probably the hardest to install. So I have a few pieces merging in together. You can see the line right here, but you have to look really close to see those merging lines between few pieces of the PPF themes. But everything else they cover really well, especially the door. They did not remove the trims at all. Here, even the top of the roof part, even here too. Wow, I love this stealth looks. Really awesome. It turned out so cool. Now white Model Y Juniper doesn't look like any other white Model Y Juniper, because it has this stealth white, like a pro white finish looks to the car. Love that contrast on the taillight and the black, and you know, the gloss of the window of course, and the gloss of the taillight contrast with this stealth on the paint and everything here. Even here it was pre-cut too here, but you can't really see it. See, it has a little space around the writing of dual motor, tiny little space around it. Also, I think this one even closer, the badge in the back, you can't really tell. There's like a pre-cut around it. So if you know you are a shop, or if you just want to, you know, wrap the car yourself, you can do that now without cutting it yourself. Or if you're a shop professional, now you can use their die line or die cut program software to cut at the shop for your customers. And here what it looks like in the sun, because it's white car, so it's super bright, but still love that stealth white matte finish on the Model Y. Looks really cool. As you can see, the stealth PPF or matte PPF looks really awesome on the white Tesla Model Y Juniper. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about the stealth or matte PPF on white. I think it's something different. It looks really special. Looks like that pearl finish because of the multi-coat like metallic white on the Model Y Juniper. And thank you so much, fellas and Digicut, for this opportunity to collab with you guys. And don't forget to check out fearless.com and Digicut on their website if you are interested in all the wrapping tint products, PPF, vinyl wrap, any tints. A lot of brands that they have to offer, and Fearless has warehouse nationwide in the United States. And if you are the shop and looking for a software for your pre-cut PPF, check out Digicut, so you can use their die lines to pre-cut PPF and install it for your customers. And thanks again for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it what I'm